Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I was sent this product free for review and I'm excited about it. It's very beautiful. It came in 3 different colors. Let me tell you, I'm getting ahead of myself. This is the Belle Aroma Scent Trio Petite Wax Warmer, and look at how beautifully it's packaged. I wanted you to see that. It is taped here, and I did cut that so I can get into it. And this is a nice warmer. There's instructions. It comes with everything you need. It has a plug, and it also with a USB, and it has a timer and also different stages of heat. It's just packaged very well in here. It comes in white and blue and taupe, and I chose the white because I love the design. And you know, then white can go anywhere. The taupe can go anywhere. The blue really was very beautiful too. Let's see how this has this nice little place here for your cord. So this will sit flush. It has the little feet on the bottom to so it doesn't move. It is very nicely crafted. It says that they're handcrafted. And then here is the ceramic dish for your, you can put essential oils in here, or you could put wax chips in here. They have wax tarts that you can buy from them directly. This is, you can get on Amazon, and then they have a store you can choose other things. So this fits in here very nicely. See how pretty that is? And they're calling it a petite warmer, and it's just beautiful. And then I'll use these type wax melts in there. So this is called the White Diamond, and it's compact, but it's powerful. It is, let me show you this part. There's the cord, which is nice and long cord. There's 3 heat settings. There's low, medium, and high, and which is nice. So if you are home, you know, you can keep a good watch on it, but it's not going to get too hot. Well, I got myself tangled up in there, but there is the C cord, and then it comes with the USB charger cord. There's the, I don't know that this is a charger. This is to plug it in, you know, and it does say Belle Aroma there as well. And then here you have, oops, your remote. It is attached. It's 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, and 24 hours you can keep it on. And then also you can have it low, medium, and high. And like I said, it does come with a little instructions sheet. It has a 1-year limited warranty. So that'll help you through it there. It says that Belle Aroma means beautiful fragrance. Belle Aroma manifested through the creative vision of Monica Hadley, multi-entrepreneur, accountant, mother, and aromatherapy enthusiast. Monica believed she could create aromatherapy and home fragrance products that utilize innovative engineering and technologies without sacrificing the elegant aesthetic. By combining modern, elegant styles with innovative product improvements and offering both popular and unique fragrance options, Belle Aroma is the bridge between home decor and home freshening. So it says that it's petite, and it is. I do have some warmers that are quite a bit larger than this. This just is so elegant, and this really can go in any room. It can go in your bathroom, your kitchen, your living room, your bedroom. It can go anywhere. It's very elegant and beautiful. And like they say, you can use the no mess tarts that they have those, and they have wax melts that you can get, and essential oils. So I have used essential oils in wax warmers, and you can put a few drops of your essential oil. You can put a little water in there to keep it from drying up. And it's nice that this cup is removable, because some warmers, it's all one thing and then it's difficult to clean. So this, when you want to change your wax or your essential oils, you can wash this. And this would be hand washable. That's what I would do with this, definitely. And then there's that nice heat pad down there. So there's no flame, so it's safe for your pets. And the wax melts don't get hot enough to burn anybody. If this were to tip over, it won't hurt your pet, it won't hurt your children. So it's very, very beautiful. So you are in charge of the aroma and aesthetic of your space with 4 duration settings and endless fragrance options with Scene Trio Petite Wax Warmer by Belle Aroma. So I will put their link below and for Amazon, and then like I said, you can go to their shop and look for tarts if you want to, and essential oils, and also you can just peruse Amazon for that as well. So thank you very much to Belle Aroma for sending this to me. It's just really beautifully packaged and very beautiful. And like I said, the other colors, there's blue and there's taupe, and then they have a different design. So the blue one has a different design and the taupe has a different design. I just thought this was very classic. This is never going to go out of style. It's very, very beautiful. So thank you so much to Belle Aroma for sending this to me. And y'all, I'll show you what I'm wearing on my eyes and my lips. I have this Natasha Denona palette. This is palette number 12, it says, okay? So this is an older palette that I love. I love this. It has 4 shimmers and 1 matte. And I'm all about shimmers, y'all. All about it. And then I have on this MAC Lippy. And this one is in E for Effortless. And it's just gorgeous. A beautiful blood red. Blue blood red. Love it. So thank you all for stopping by and seeing what I got from Belle Aroma. And thank you to Belle Aroma for this beautiful warmer. And y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.